Hello, my students. Our first poem this term is called Rainbow. Rainbow was written by the famous poet William Wordsworth. William Wordsworth was born in Cumberland in England and was educated at grammar school. He was one of the greatest poets of his period, so he was honored and crowned as one of the greatest poets of his age. Now, let's read the poem. My heart leaps up when I behold a rainbow in the sky. So was it when my life began, so is it now I am a man. So be it when I shall grow old, or let me die. The child is the father of the man, and I could wish my days to be bound each to each by natural piety. Let's read it again. My heart leaps up when I behold a rainbow in the sky. So was it when my life began, so is it now I am a man. So be it when I shall grow old, or let me die. The child is the father of the man, and I could wish my days to be bound each to each by natural piety. Now look at the end of each line. The first line ends with the word behold, so it will take the letter A. Line number 2 ends with sky. It will take the letter B. Line number 3 began. It will take C. 4 ends with a man. It will take C, because man like began, the same ending, man like began. Grow old will take the letter A, like behold. Die will take the letter B, like sky. The man like began. My days to be will be D. By natural piety will be also D. Let's know the meaning of the new verse. Number 1, leap means jump, behold means see, pound means join together, and piety, the showing and the feeling of deep respect to God and religion. Let's turn to the paraphrase for this poem. In the first 6 lines, the poet described his love for nature, saying that his heart jumps up when he sees the rainbow in the sky. His love to nature began when he was a child, and he still loves it now. And he is a man, and he will love the nature till he grows old and became an old man. He said that if his love to nature stopped, that means that he died. In line number 7, the poet represented a philosophical idea, saying that child is the father of the man. In this sentence, he compared the continuity of man's life with the continuity of nature. Because man's life begins as a child, then he grows to be a young man, then the man will have a child, and the child will grow to be a young man. So, mankind will continue like nature. It will never stop. In the last 2 lines, he said that he wished his days to be linked together with his love and respect for God. Let's turn to the figure of speech for this poem. Number 1, my heart leaps up. It will be personification, and personification means giving life to something that has no life. Number 2, so was it, so is it, so be it will be order. And I could wish my days to be bound each to each by natural piety. It will be metaphor. Metaphor means to compare between two things without using like or as. He described his days as something that can be tied. And the rhyme scheme for this poem: A B C C A B C D D. Let's turn to some questions on the poem. Question number 1. What's a rainbow and when do we see it? It's an arch of different colors that sometimes appears in the sky after rain. Number 2. What did the poet describe in this poem? He described his happiness when he saw a rainbow. Number 3. What philosophy did Wordsworth mention in the poem? Discuss it. It's that the child is the father of the man. He compares the continuity of nature, represented by rainbow, to the continuity of man's life. Childhood is the starting point in our life. And thanks a lot.